Hey guys, it's Kevin with Car Speed. Today we got a very exciting episode. We're over here getting a Hellcat cleaned, and we're going to take it over to Mark's Motors in Boerne, Texas. And we're going to go over there and we're going to test drive a Lamborghini Huracan. I want to see if it stacks up to a Corvette C8 Z06. I know it's, an awesome car, but hey, you never know. Let's just see how that one rides. Let's see how it looks, and let's have some fun today on the channel. This is a McLaren 765 LT. And what color blue is this?
Vega.
What is it?
Vega.
Vega. And this is Lee, our rep. Nathan, sorry, he's our rep.
Yep.
He's very nice. And we've come to look at some Lamborghini Huracans and some other potentially affordable cars. So let's go take a look. Okay, I think we've decided to drive this Aventador. This is a two-wheel drive one, and but it is a Spider. Beautiful color. It's at $359. Because of my leg, a little hard for me to open the door all the way and get in, so I'm gonna have Nathan pull it out for us so that we can do that. So we're gonna do a little cold start. Here, let me get around the back so we can hear the cold start on this one. Okay, we're good. So looks like it's got the vents, so it looks like you can kind of see the engine if you get down low enough, but no window. But let's get inside of it and see what it looks like. Oh, I love the neon green on that. That is, oh man, this is a really exciting spec because of the colors. I mean, god dang. Makes me want to eat some sweet tarts and go real fast. It's like the car has a beautiful display here. It's a multicolor display. And then we got all of these buttons on the steering wheel. Looks like you can control the blinkers here on the side. Brights, windshield wipers. Really got a cool infotainment center. It's got all these gauges that look like cockpit gauges, like in a plane. And then here you got all of your controls for the drive. And so, kind of interesting honeycomb display here. I like the way that the air conditioning vents come off of that. Yeah, I think this might be the car for me. We're going to look at the financing to see what it looks like for real, and maybe put the top down. Okay, we've decided to try this one. Now I know it looks black, but it is actually a blue color. It's like a deep, kind of a deep dark blue with gold wheels. It's 100 grand less than the new one. And let's take a look at the front of this one. It's kind of in the shadow. I guess we need to bring it out into the light. This one is a 2015, and it has 31,688 miles. Which, if you know anything about the Huracans, these are pretty reliable, and because of the association with Audi. And this one's an all-wheel drive one. The other one was like 315 or 350, and it was a two-wheel drive one. So I think we're going to check this one out and see what this one's about.
Mark's Motors, checking out some cars. I think this one's the Batmobile. Dang, that's pretty.